Dear students, welcome you all for the third session of the third chapter of Direct Tax 2, fourth semester, Mangalore University, BCom. So in this session, we are going to discuss one illustration on calculation of depreciation. So my content for this presentation is, we will discuss one simple illustration on calculation of depreciation. So, objective of the session, to know the concept of depreciation and calculate depreciation for various assets. Then outcome of the session, students will come to know the concept of depreciation and will be able to compute depreciation for various assets. So, this is the illustration. From the following information, compute depreciation allowable for the assessment year 2019-20. So, they have given the written down value of the assets as on 1/4/2018. Machinery, 15% is the rate of depreciation and written down value is 12,40,000. Then books depreciation rate is 60%, the written down value is 48,000. Then they are given also purchases during the year 2018-19. So additions during the year, that is machinery worth 4 lakh, then books worth 1,10,000. So machinery was purchased on the month of May 9th, then books were purchased in the month of October. So we have to see when it was purchased. If the asset is used for less than 180 days, then it is 50% of the depreciation should be provided, 50% of the rate of depreciation. Then assets sold during the year. So there is one asset which is sold, that is machinery, that is 2,10,000. So additional rate of depreciation they are given, it is 20%. Now let us calculate the value of depreciation as per Income Tax Act. So this is the format to calculate computation of depreciation. So particulars, there are two assets, that is machinery and books. So let's write down the written down value first. So written down value as on 1/4/2018, machinery 12,40,000 and books 48,000. So that is as per in the problem, what is given in the problem. Now there is a purchases during the year. So machinery and books were purchased during the year. Let us write additions during the year here. So additions, add purchases during the year. Two assets were purchased. Let's write down machinery and books. So machinery was purchased on 9/5/2017 and books were purchased on 8/10/2017. So let's write the amount here. So machinery was purchased for 4 lakh and books were purchased for 1,10,000. Let's write down the total amount of assets here for both machinery and books. So 12,40,000 plus 4 lakh. So it is total 16,40,000. So for books 48,000 and 1,10,000. So total is 1,58,000. Now let us write sales during the year. So if there is any sales, we have to minus it. Let's go to the problem. So here assets sold during the year 2018 is only one, that is machinery, worth 2,10,000. So let's write that. So 2,10,000 worth assets were sold. So written down value at the end of the year is, so written down value as of 31st/3/2019 is 14,30,000. So 16,40,000 minus 2,10,000 is 14,30,000. So books, there is no sales. So 1,58,000 is the written down value at the end of the year. Now we have arrived at the written down value for calculation of depreciation. Now we have to deduct the depreciation from this amount. So let's calculate the depreciation. So less depreciation. First let us calculate on machinery. Now written down value is 14,30,000. So in this written down value, whatever purchased during the year, for that we have to provide first. So during this year we have purchased one machinery, that is 4 lakh. So remember, if any assets purchased as on 1st April 2005, then there is an additional depreciation of 20%. Okay, so that we have to remember. So this machinery which is purchased during this year also qualifies for getting additional depreciation. So let's calculate the depreciation for new machinery which was purchased. First let us calculate the normal depreciation, that is 15%. Then we have to calculate the additional depreciation of 20%. So while calculating this 20%, we have to see when the asset was purchased, whether it has crossed 180 days. So it is purchased during the month of May. It's very clear here. So it is more than 180 days. So full depreciation is eligible. So 4 lakh into 15%, 60,000. 4 lakh into additional depreciation, 20%, that is 80,000. Let's write here. You should not confuse it. So this is the new machinery. So this is additional depreciation for the new machinery. Now let us calculate on the remaining value of the machinery. So out of 14,30,000, we have already provided depreciation for 4 lakh. So remaining is, so 14,30,000 minus 4 lakh. So it is 10,30,000. That is the old machinery, old value of the machinery. So 14,30,000 minus 4 lakh is equal to 10,30,000 into value of the depreciation. Rate of depreciation is 15%. So how much is the 15% of 10,30,000? It is 1,54,500. So total depreciation on machinery is 60 plus 80 plus 1,54,500, 2,94,500. So let's write that amount here. Now let us calculate for books. So second one is books. With regard to books, there is the additions purchased during the year is 1,10,000 and there is no sales. So total written down value for depreciation is 1,58,000. So let's give for the first, that is new, that is additions during the year. So it is 1,10,000 into 60%. Since it is an additional depreciation, since it is a purchase during the year, if the asset is used for more than 180 days, then full depreciation we can provide, that is entire 60%. But if this asset is not used for more than 180 days, or if it is less than 180 days, then we have to provide only 60% is 50%. It is half of the depreciation we have to provide, half of the total rate of the depreciation. So here, since the asset is purchased on 8th October 2018 and if we calculate, it is less than 180 days. So it is only 50% of the value of this depreciation we have to take. So let's calculate what is that amount. So it is 33,000. Now the remaining is old books. Let us calculate for old books also. So 48,000 into 60%. So it is totally 28,800. Let's write the amount. So total is 61,800. Let's write in books column. 61,800. Now we will arrive at the written down value which can be carried forward for next year. So what is that amount? We have to just deduct this depreciation. So therefore the written down value which can be carried forward to next year is for machinery 11,35,500 and for books it is 96,200. So that's all from this session. Thank you for watching this video.